Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in today's video, we will talk about how to upload document in SharePoint with the help of REST API. Friends, in this video, we will cover all API like how to upload document, how to download document, how to get particular document. Friend, we will cover all topic in this video. Friend, you can see this is my Postman collections and I have added all APIs, right? So friend, we will cover in this video all API, right? First, you can see this is this API for create token. For this, we need tenant ID, client ID, and send ID. So first step, friend, we will create token. For token, we need this detail. So how to get this tenant ID, client ID, and second ID, right? First, if we understand, after that, friend, we will get site ID, right? With the help of tenant name and site name. What is a tenant name? What is a site name? Also, friend, will understand and how to get tenant name and site name. And this is a drive API, right? Means with the help of site ID. Suppose, friend, we will get site ID with the help of this API. After that, we will get drive ID, right? This is upload API, right? And you can see this. We will pass a drive ID and we will upload particular document. We will upload document, right? What is a drive ID, right? And where we will upload document, friend. Detail we will discuss in this video, right? So friend, first step, we will create token, right? For this, we need tenant ID, site ID, and collector ID. So, so friend, for this, we will create app in a Microsoft Azure account, right? This is my Azure account, right? So for this, first we will log in, right? And open your Azure account, right? Azure portal, right? You can see this type of window, right? So we will create first app. So you can see this is a app registration. So first click on this, right? So friend, you can see here my already created apps, right? So if you are want to create new app, so click on new registration and give the app name, right? So I'm giving name SharePoint REST API demo, right? After that, select is the first default option. So deselected, right? And click on registration bar, right? So friend, this is our app successfully created, and you can see this is our this is client ID and this is a tenant ID, right? So copy this client ID. This is our the Postman collection. Don't worry, friend. I will share this Postman collection in a video description link. This is our environment variable, right? Yeah, we are using SharePoint environment, right? And you are pass this client ID, right? And second one friend is tenant ID. Copy this and pass this a tenant ID, right? After that, so friend, we need a secret ID, right? For creating token, right? So how to create a secret ID? So you can see here is a secret certificate and secret, right? So click on this button, these options. After that, click on new client secret, right? Gives a secret name, right? Giving name, and you can see here's a expression expiry time, right? So I'm selecting default and add this. This is our secret ID successfully created, and copy this secret ID and paste this. So friend, we will successfully get client ID, tenant ID, and secret ID. After that, friend, we need a permission for this app, right? So we are using a document. We are using upload document in SharePoint, right? So for this, click on app permissions. You can see here, right here, and add a permission. Click on this. Click on Microsoft Graph API. Friends, there are two type of these permissions: delegation permissions and application permission. So friends, click on application permissions. All type of the permission is available, right? So search your file and click on this file, right, and give which type of permission you needed. So friend, we needed a read write, right? For we needed a file read write, right? So we are given these permissions, file read permissions. So friend, depend on you which type of permissions we needed, you needed. So check this, right, and add these permissions. So friend, you can see, right, our permission successfully added, but you can see right here our permission is not granted. So for this, click on this admin, grant admin permissions, right, and use select and select yes options. So friend, our permission is successfully granted, right? So friend, we will successfully app create. We will also get tenant ID. We will successfully get tenant ID, client ID, and secret ID. And friend, also we have added permission and also added granted, right? Now friend, our next goal to use this ID in our in API, right? So friend, this is our token creation API. We are passing tenant ID, client ID, and secret ID, right? We are using environment, right? We are passing environment, collection environment, and just friend, we are using here. Friend, just you are using this environment, right? So you can see successfully get as a tenant ID, client ID, and secret ID, right? And you are passing, and we are passing grant type is a credential, client credential, and scope is a graph Microsoft.com default. So friend, we are passing this. Friend, don't worry. I will share this collection in a video description link. You just download and use in your Postman collections, right? So friend, now we will send this. So friend, our token successfully created, right? Here you can see the token type bearer, expiry time, right? And success token, right? We are copy this token, right? And add on our environment, right? Access token, right? So I added access token, right? Right. After that, friend, our next goal to get a site ID, right? So first understand what is a site ID, right? Friends, this is our poem, our my site, SharePoint site, right? So we will get this site ID, right? So for this, friend, we needed a tenant name or site name. So how to get tenant name? So friend, tenant name means is our domain name. This is, friend, you can see our site link, our SharePoint link, right? So this is our domain name. So is copy this and friend and add this our tenant name, right? Right. A friend, we need a site name. So you can see this is our site name, right? So just copy this and paste this idea and save this. So after that, friend, you can get as a tenant name and site name. And after that, friend, we'll pass as a token. So we will add authorization, add bearer, and pass as token, right? So we added in the header, right? We'll hit this API. So after that, we can see right here, friend, this is our site ID, right? So now copy this ID, friend, and add your collection, right? Right. Now, friend, we need for drive ID. This is our drive ID API, right? We are passing site ID right here and send this. So friend, you can see we are showing a drive ID here, right? It's a document, right? So for this drive ID, right? It's a document library. This document library ID, right? So friend, we are successfully get the drive ID. Just copy this, right? And paste our environment variable, right? Is a drive ID, right? And save it, right? Friend, we have successfully get a site ID and drive ID, right? Now our goal to upload document in particular drive ID, right? Friend, here this is my SharePoint site, right? And you can see is my document library, right? If you needed one more document, so for this we create one more document library. So click on this, right? Blank drive ID and give us a SharePoint, right? Is a name. So friend, our document library is successfully created, right? Suppose we want to upload our document in this library, right? So you can use this. So in my SharePoint list, where I have two document library as a document and SharePoint document library, right? Friend, again I hit this API site ID, right? Mm. So you can see here is a name is a SharePoint document, my the document library, and second one is a document library. So you can see a document and you can see the SharePoint document library. And so based on friend, we needed you can use a document library and you can upload document particular document library, right? Suppose a friend, so friend, I'm using this document like ID and I want to upload my document in this document library. So copy this, right, and paste my as a SharePoint environment. Right here is a SharePoint drive ID. Paste this. Now friend, I will upload document in my document library. So for this is a document upload API, right? Request is a put, right? You can see the drive ID, right? This is a root, right? And friend, if we are passing the name, right? So I'm passing test PDF name, right? We are passing PDF, so we're passing PDF extension, colon slash content. Friends, this is our root, right? This is a root, right? So we just pass the name, so file name, and then pass a content. And friend, we are using binary to select binary. You can see your select option right here. So we select this and you can say download and pass test PDF, right, and send it. So friend, our document successfully uploaded in SharePoint, right? You can see is a document download ring. So right, you can say is you can see the name, name it text PDF, right? And detail you can see the detail information is available here, right? Friend, this is my SharePoint document library, and I'm refreshing this. Mm. So friend, our file successfully uploaded here. Suppose friend, we needed a folder and after that inside we want to upload a document, right? So for this, right, just friend, we pass is a name, right? I'm passing a text folder, right? And slash here. And same friend, I'm choosing same file right here. Download section, pass this and send again, right? So friend, our file successfully uploaded, and I am refreshing this, right? So you can see our text folder successfully created, and you can and inside you can see the file also is showing here, right? Okay. So this is the process to upload document in SharePoint, right? So friend, this is very important ID. So we can use this idea and we can perform multiple option operation like as a get, right? You can download and you can delete also. You can see this is download ring. Suppose if you want to download particular document, so you can just copy this and paste. So copy this link and friend, and paste is here, right? So our file successfully download, right? So this is a download ring, right? So for suppose in future friend, you needed a download how to download this, right? So for this we need to get this document. So how to get this your next API is a get document, right? Based on ID, right? So you can see right here you're passing this ID, right? So I'm copy this ID, right? And pass here, right? And send again. We can see the detailed information, right? Your document download link, right? As a document ID name, then file name also, right? You use a file name also, you can see right here, right? So multiple information is available, right? Like, use this API also. Suppose friend, if you want to delete particular document, right? So you can use a delete like API, but the request you are using delete request, right? And we are passing this as a ID right here, right? And send it. Our document successfully deleted. Uh, so friend, you are refreshing this right here. Our document successfully deleted. So friend, we will understand in this video, right? How to upload document, how to get document, how to delete document, right? Also friend, we will cover right, how to create app in Microsoft Azure app, right? How to get tenant ID, site ID, and secret ID. Also, how to get a tenant name, site name. With the help of, we will get a token, right? How to add token in header, right? After that, we will get site ID, list ID, drive ID, and after that, friend, we will upload document in particular drive ID. Also, we will create friend as a document library in SharePoint, right? So, friend, we will cover all data discussed in this video. If this video is helpful for you, your knowledge, so please like this and share this video your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.